Our today's topic is feature collection in GEA. Now, in the left of this map, this tool is called geometry tool. By this tool, you can create different types of feature as you want. Now, there are 4 types of feature you can draw here. First one is point, second one is line, third one is polygon, fourth one is rectangle features. So we'll see how we use this point geometry. Now first click on this point and then mark your place. Okay, you just mark here. Now the point is stored here in the form of, you can expand it. Here is the latitude and longitude. If you want to, if you can copy this code and paste here, and you can delete it. Okay, now this is the point. Okay, now this is the line. If you want to draw a line now, and then when you finish it, click double click. Okay, this is the geometry line. Okay, first point, this is the first point, this is the second point, and this is the third point. Fine. Next one is polygon. Okay, draw your polygon. Last one is double click. Okay, if you want to off it, you can click here. And final geometry is rectangular. And so just create here. Now this is the rectangle. Okay, fine, just delete it, and I just paste here in my console, code editor console. So first of all, I just plot it, just have add layer. Now I just off. Okay, I just plot geometry polygon, geometry rectangular, geometry polygon. Run the script and we will get your draw boundary. Okay, so if you want to plot only out layer of your geometry, then you need to add the following function. That means there is a boundary, and along with boundary there is a transparent layer. I just want to remove this transparent layer and want to plot only the black boundary. So in new, now on my code, okay, just you write your function var empty eimage.byte. Okay, then you just create a paint function, just empty add here dot paint, first bracket, third bracket, and feature collection. Just you paste here your geometry, then select your color and boundary white. Now dot my white layer outlier, just put here, and this function basically use. After this you just write your geometry name as you like. Okay, run this code. I just stop here and on my outline boundary. Okay, fine, you will get this empty boundary. Now if you want to import your local feature from your PC, then what? Then you go must assets and new, then you click zip file, then select file, go to your folder where you store your zip file. Okay, fine. I just you import this file where they must mention here just cpg dba prg shp. Okay, dbx prg sbn shp does not have a correct extension sbhs. Now open this file and upload, and you can change your name, then click on upload, and then go your task manager, and this will upload automatically when is now my work is 100% finished. That means my upload process is complete. So West Bengal district upload, then you refresh your assets, you will see here. Now then you West Bengal or then you just click on this import, and this will automatically then expand it and copy just fine. I just paste here it. Okay, now I want to plot it. Okay, run this function. Okay, just 1 second. Now we'll see I will plot my boundary geometry from my local desktop. Now in the next step we learn how can we select a particular polygon or district from attribute table. Okay, if you look my shape file in ArcGIS, okay, now this is my polygon of West Bengal, and I just open its attribute tables, and there is different types of column name. Now this column is district, and there are different this is the different types of districts name. I have total 21 districts, 23 districts in West Bengal. So now I just want to select district of Purba Medinapur, district of Purba Medinapur. Okay, I just want to select this Purvanapur in GE. So what we do, go to your GIFs, open. Now I just assign a variable name and then call EE feature. As we work on geometry, then we should write here EE features and then add my boundary. Okay, this boundary add, then filter metadata, add this filter metadata function, and then select your column and then equals mean what we select. Then we select my part. I select just a district like Purvanapur and the first, and then it converted as geometry. Okay, you just plot run it and you will see your result. Okay, Purvanapur, activate it and you will get your result. Okay, today our learn is stopped. We'll update next tutorial.